In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google NotebookLM AI tool to learn effectively and create quizzes that test your knowledge and aid your learning process. Stick around, and we'll walk through the key steps to unlock the full potential of this amazing tool. First, let's kick things off by heading over to your web browser and navigating to Google. Once you're there, all you have to do is type NotebookLM into the search bar. Google's search engine does a great job of quickly pointing you in the right direction. As soon as you see the NotebookLM website in the search results, go ahead and click on it. Once you've landed on the NotebookLM homepage, you'll see an option that says, Try NotebookLM. It's usually prominently displayed, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Just give it a click, and it will guide you right through to the next stage. Now, you're on the main interface of the tool. Here, you'll want to look for a button that says Create New and click on it. This is where you'll start building your personalized NotebookLM experience. After clicking Create New, the next step is really exciting because it involves uploading the source material you want to work with. You'll notice a prompt that says Upload a source. Just click on that, and it will allow you to select the documents or materials you want to learn from. When you've chosen your source, upload it to NotebookLM. This tool is powerful because it takes the learning content directly from your chosen sources, giving you the ability to focus and personalize your study materials. After your source material is uploaded, you'll be brought back to the main interface. It's worth taking a moment to appreciate how seamless the experience is and how empowering it feels to have all your learning materials in one place. Now, the fun part begins. In the bottom right-hand corner of the NotebookLM interface, you'll find a button labeled Quiz. Click on this, and the tool will automatically generate a quiz based on the uploaded content. It's an incredible feature that helps you dig deeper into your materials by testing your understanding and highlighting key concepts from your study material. Remember, quizzes aren't just a way to evaluate what you know. They can also illuminate areas that might need a bit more review. So make use of this feature regularly, as it can drastically improve the efficiency of your learning process. And there you have it. With these steps, you can confidently begin using Google NotebookLM to not only learn more effectively, but also create quizzes that reinforce your knowledge. It's a straightforward process that, once mastered, can greatly enhance the way you study and retain information. Happy learning, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.